Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. My name is Shiv, and we are going to be talking about today about BitPay card, which is like a Visa card. But you can load this Visa card with Bitcoins. So as you guys know, most of you guys know that the Bitcoin is invented to solve the issue of daily transactions, wherein you don't need a fiat currency like an INR or a dollar to transact, but you can transact anywhere across the world with Bitcoins, right? And Bitcoin, being a decentralized currency accepted worldwide, becomes a universal currency for everybody on this planet. That's the idea of Bitcoin. However, having said that, not all the merchants are still accepting Bitcoins for two reasons. First of all, there is no awareness about this new technology, and secondly, there is the infrastructure is not ready yet. So, in view of that, now BitPay company, there's a company called www.bitpay.com. The BitPay has come up with their Visa card. So, what it actually means is this card, you can load this card with your Bitcoins. So the process is very simple. Go on to www.bitpay.com, order your BitPay card. Once you receive the BitPay card, you activate it, you load it with Bitcoins, and then you spend it like how you use your normal Visa card or the MasterCard. So it's very simple. So what it generally does is, even though your BitPay card is loaded with Bitcoins, when you swipe the transactions, it automatically converts it into dollars and the transactions goes through. So it's pretty simple in that way, right? So I will leave you with the website name or in the description below. So I think this is a great move because considering not lot many merchants are still accepting Bitcoins, and what if somebody wants to pay them in Bitcoin? What if you have a couple of Bitcoins and you're traveling across the globe and you don't want to basically convert that Bitcoin into a fiat currency? So you have an option of swiping your Visa card with all the merchants. Whoever is swiping MasterCard or Visa card, they'll be able to swipe this card. Only you know that this card is actually loaded with Bitcoins, not with the fiat currency. But when it comes out in the transactions mode, it converts itself into fiat currency. So the merchant gets his money, you get your product, your service, and you're done, right? So isn't it very exciting, right? So no problem. Now go ahead and check this out. I'm gonna leave you with the link in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions and comments and feedback, and to keep this channel going. And I appreciate your likes, I appreciate your comments, I appreciate your subscription. So thank you so much for your love and support. Keep supporting this channel. I'm here to update you guys on all the happenings on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in the future ahead. So thank you so much, you guys. If you haven't subscribed, if you're watching for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and be updated. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Peace.